Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to fund your exporter in order for you to prepare for your DoctorX allocation. Now, I want you to get this straight and clear that the money, which is the gas fee that you need, is not directly for you to be able to get your allocation from DoctorX. It's actually for you to be able to send your allocation out of exporter to your preferred sex exchanges. All right, maybe like Bybit, Binance, BitGet, or whatever exchanges that you would like to use. All right, so that's the purpose of the gas fee. All right, so I want to dive into the video right now in order for me to show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is to come right here to your exporter account, and you can see this EGLD. Click on it. When you click on EGLD, this is a token you are going to be sending in. So click on receive. All right, once you click on receive, then copy this address. Use this button to copy your address. Immediately you copy your address, you can see MultiversX. So once you copy your address, then add on to your Bybit or BitGet. By then, you will have gotten your $1 worth of coin ready. All right. So just make sure you have $1 or $2 ready. But actually, you just need $1. So I'm gonna go to my Bybit because I have some dollars there, and I will send it in here. This is my Bybit. All right. So what I need to do is to go to this assets. So if I click on assets, if you come right here to assets, you need to send from funding to unified trading first. All right, so what you need to do, or there are two ways to it, or you convert from here to whatever coin you're looking for. So let's do the conversion first. Click on convert, then we're going to click on this one. Then I'm going to select where you have BTC, click on it, then select EGLD, which is the coin we actually looking for, EGLD, which is the first one. Click on it. So just put, I just need 1.2. So 1.2 is okay. So it's going to give me 0.02119984. So I'm going to click on quote. All right. Then I'm going to click this, confirm it. So right now I've converted 1.2 USDT to EGLD, right? EGLD, which is the coin we're sending. So the next thing, just go back. Remember, once you go back here, click on funding. You're gonna see the money in there. So clicking on funding, you're going to see it's going to appear here. All right. So here is it, EGLD. So click on it. When you click on it, the next thing you actually want to do is to click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, remember the address we copied, paste it here. So I'm going to paste that address. Then the network will be EGLD. Click on it. Then the next thing you want to do is to just click on max. We're going to send everything. Click on max, then click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, it's going to ask you for your password and whatever thing you're using. So click on confirm, then it's going to ask you for your password and whatever security measure you put in place. So I'm going to quickly put in my password and my Google authentication, and I'll be right back. Then click confirm. So once you confirm it, that's all you need to do. And then you can see successful, submitted successfully. So you can see withdrawal application submitted. So you can click OK. Then we're going to wait a minute. So right now we're going to go to our exporter to check if we've received the $1 and something cents. So let's go there. I'm just going to cancel this. Then right, just click. You can see the money is there, 1.12. You can see. So I'm going to go back. If I click back, you can see $1.12. So and you can see the coin right here, which is this EGLD. So that is how to fund your wallet for your gas fee. Remember, the gas fee is actually when you receive your DoctorX token. If you want to send your DoctorX token out of this wallet, you will need the gas fee. But for you to get your DoctorX token, you do not need any gas fee. Also, I want to show you something on DoctorX. So if you're getting this option on your DoctorX and you're afraid that what is going on, you don't know what is going on, don't worry. This shows that the mining has ended. All right, just wait for the allocation. You can see here, gets ready for the next chapter of our meme powered future. So this one, just leave it the way it is. You can see /rate 0 is what I have. So don't worry about what you have, just wait for the allocation. And that will be end of this video. If you have watched this video so far and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell for more videos like this, and don't forget to like this video. We appreciate you. And more also, you can drop your comments in the comment section. If you're having any difficulty or whatever, drop it in the comment section. I'll be willing to help you out. See you in the next one. Bye for now.